First things people new to our seasoning blend ask is, how do you make it? So we want to show you today. I'm starting to brown 2 pounds of 93, I think we use 90% lean ground beef today. So go ahead and just brown that up. And once it's all browned, we'll be adding our seasoning blend as well as our pinto beans. We're going to use 2 cans of pinto beans, and any variety will do that you prefer. And then we also use 1 can of tomato sauce. And after this is empty, we're going to add 1 can of water. So it's 2 pounds of ground beef, 3 tablespoons of Chugwater Chili seasoning, the 2 cans of pinto beans, and 1 can of tomato sauce. This is so simple. We always say if there's a can opener and brown meat, you've got Chugwater Chili. Our meat is all browned up now. And now it's time to add our Chugwater Chili powder. We just do 3 tablespoons to make a recipe. So this is our 1 pound container. And at the store, we usually do kind of a rounded tablespoon. You can choose if that feels like it's a little too spicy or not quite spicy enough for you. That's the beauty of Chugwater Chili seasoning blend, is that you can go ahead and make it as spicy or mild as you prefer. The flavor is great, and it continues on regardless if you just use a little less or a little more. All right, so we're going to stir that in now. We want that meat to soak up that chili flavor really nicely before we add all of our other ingredients. It smells great. All right, now we're going to add 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Okay, and then I'm going to grab 1 can of water to add with that. So here's our 1 can of water. I'm going to blend that really nicely. Next, we add 2 cans of pinto beans, and they're just the 15-ounce cans of beans. You don't need to drain them. Just pour the entire contents of the can directly into your pan. Make sure we get all that goodness out of there. There we go. Looking fantastic. All right. Now we just go ahead and turn that. We're going to let it come to a little bit of a simmer before we turn the heat back down, because we want to give it a chance to thicken a little bit. Some of that water will just condense down. And part of the reason that our formula is the way it is that the masa harina that's in it does cause a thickening. So that's going to be a delicious chili as it comes together. I'm going to go ahead and bring the heat down just a little bit. While that's cooking, you should take the chance to go ahead and make some biscuits or cornbread, or do like we do here in Wyoming, make some cinnamon rolls.